Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to show you how to make a snow golem. So first, you need a snow. You need snow. So it's a snow block. It's a block of. So it's a block. I need to find a block of snow before I can start this week. Hold on. You can wait for a while until I find. Okay. So first you put two stacks of snow. So 1, 2, and then oops, sorry, but yeah. And then you put a pumpkin head at the top, and you create one so golem. And look at so it leaves snow tracks. So I'm gonna kill it and see what it drops. So I kill it. Oopsie. Kill it. Okay, it drops snowballs, which is a lot of snowballs. And yeah, there's a lot of snowballs. So, oops. And yeah, so thank you for watching, and please subscribe. And yeah, so thank you for watching. Bye.